Hi, my name is Muhammad Zulhairi bin Abdul Kadir, and my message number is 2210665, and I am from 1DMR4 class, and this is 5 minutes about how we can save Antarctica and the rest of the world from the climate change. First of all, do you know Antarctica? Antarctica is a continent. It is Earth's fifth largest continent. Antarctica is covered in ice, and Antarctica covers Earth's south pole. What is Antarctica like? According to NASA, Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. The temperature in the winter is cold enough to freeze water all the time. The temperature in the middle of Antarctica is much colder than temperature on the coast. Antarctica has two seasons, summer and winter. Earth is tilted in a space and the direction of tilt never changes. During summer, Antarctica is on the side of Earth tilted toward the sun. It always sunny. In winter, Antarctica is on the side of Earth tilted away from the sun. Then, the continent is always dark. And move on to the next. What is climate change? According to the United Nations, climate change refers to long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, such as through variation in the solar cycle, but since the 18th, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. So, what is the connection between Antarctica and climate change? The connection is Antarctica is one of the continents that has major impact on climate change. The warming of Antarctica Peninsula is causing change to the physical and living environment of Antarctica. The penguin colonies has changed as the sea ice condition alter. Melting of perennial snow and ice cover has resulted in increased colonization by plants. A long-term decline in the abundance of Antarctic krill in the Atlantic sector of the Southern Ocean may be associated with reduced sea ice cover. Large changes have occurred in the ice cover of peninsula. Many glaciers have retreated and ice shelves that formerly fringed the peninsula have been observed to retreat in recent years, and some have collapsed completely due to climate change. And comes to the topic on how to save Antarctica. First, reduce the use of private motorized vehicles. The first way to prevent global warming is to reduce the use of private motorized vehicles, which means fewer emissions. In addition to saving gas, walking and cycling are healthy forms of exercise. You can use public transportation or use a vehicle together. If forced to drive, make sure the car or motorcycle runs efficiently. For example, keeping tires properly inflated can increase mileage by more than 3%. And the next way to prevent global warming is to buy energy efficient goods. Many home appliances are now available in various energy efficient models. For example, LED bulbs are designed to provide a more natural looking light using far less energy than standard light bulbs. Several electronic products such as air conditioners and washing machine are also widely available in energy efficient forms to avoid overpackaged products, especially plastic and non-recyclable packaging. And last way, we need to plant as many trees as possible. You can plant trees in your yard or put small plants on the terrace. During photosynthesis, trees and other plants absorb carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. Plants are an integral part of the natural atmospheric exchange cycle. Some plants can also counter the increase in carbon dioxide caused by car traffic, manufacturing, and other human activities. And for the conclusion, even though it seems like we have late, but it's not too late to act. The greatest threat to Antarctica today comes from right here, where we live. So we need to change how we live. As Antarctica nears irreversible tipping points, we must take urgent action now to secure a safe climate future for future generation, for better life. That's all from me, Muhammad Zulhairi bin Abdul Kadir. Thank you.